this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Android phone, your Pixel phone, if you forgot the password. So I'm just going to hold down the power button, volume up button at the same time, and it should open up the power options. Just continue to hold this down, and after about 5 to 10 seconds the phone will restart. When it restarts, switch from the volume up to volume down and power button. Hold those down at the same time and click them together. And this will launch it into the recovery mode after about like 15 seconds, or I'll give you the option to get there. So just continue to hold this down. It can take a while. So if you're using a different kind of Android phone, you'll probably see like the boot logo for that phone brand. Then we can go volume down. Go over to the recovery mode, hit power. Then it's going to probably say no command. Hold down the volume button, hold down the power button, volume up button, tap that once. Now we have the different options under here. Scroll on down until we get to wipe data and factory reset. Press the power button. Then go on down to factory data reset. And that's going to pretty much wipe everything off your phone. And then you can sign back in, and you won't need to type in the password for your phone, your lock screen. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.